Зараз поговоримо про кріплення ковриків оригінальних в Audi A6 C4 A6 Type 4. Those from one who have original carpet in the floor in the Audi A6 Type 4 know what in the factory, from factory, this is carpet has a over their place has a rock for don't move front or back to the side in the car. You see this? Look at like this one and look at like this one. Many years ago this rock made for metal and zinc, covered zinc, after covered black paint, and look at this, it's rusty because it's a metal put hand, put feet and flower water under feet, and little by little, step by step, it's metal covered rusty. It's a shame, it's very shame, it's very damage how I looking for the situation. And now its situation has кращий вихід з цієї ситуації є. Look at this. Maybe you know about this, and I see you what I buy a couple weeks ago. It's a original factory rock, but it's from a car Audi A6 but type C5, maybe C4. Look like this. It's part number, original part number, and another side, this is rock, has an original part number. Продовжуємо відео. Ось ці заводські. Холодно. Now it's a little bit cold in the outside, and look at this. It's a factory number, part number, and the place. Now this one here, and this one here. Look pretty nice, much more better when without this element, and you see how it's better. See, it's like new brand. It's a little bit tuning, but it's better when without. Look at this rusty, and look at this. Go through ahead, and you will see another side. It's a front side, it's a backyard. Look at this metal cover and zinc alloy, and you see three little stick, fold, and keep it very hard. Now I take instrument tools, take a tools and a little bit fold for dismantling this element. Now I'm folding this three element, 1, 2, 3, and ones from science, maybe 1904, maybe 95, maybe 96. I put it from this place, and look at this, rusty, go. Look at this. Very, very hard. Keep this. Look at this, rusty everywhere. I need a brush after I put new rock. Rusty everywhere. It's a garbage, because if someone want a high original, it's need to take, put a rusty covered fluent, and after this galvanic and covered zinc, and put a black paint. It's over original will be, but now it's best for take this place, give this place new rock from the Audi A6 C5 type C5. It's the best way. I think now, and this is damage 100%. It's rusty. Now you will see how I keep my phone, my leg, and show you this situation. No, rusty, it's first you need to take this part for rock and put in this place, and after this put your cover, and we can see position right, position right, and after that you need scissors, maybe a very clever knife, and accurate cut wall, circle wall. Only after that you need to take this element and put here. Only that. You see this? It's right. Ну що, продовжимо. Відео вже заключне з цієї серії. Коврик зайняв своє місце. Кліпси, тримачі також на своєму місці, гарно. Друга також гарно. Ось так має загальний вигляд. В принципі, як і з другої сторони в автомобілі, так само воно все сіло. Такий коврик без протертостей, без нічого, супер виглядає, сюди класно прийшло. Він чуть-чуть темніший, ніж у салону, у мене він був такий більш синюватіший, рідний, але тим не менше. Тим не менше, я задоволений, всі пальці вверх. Бережіть свої автомобілі. Тримайте їх в справному стані, а особливо Audi A6 C4 кузов. Ці машини на це заслуговують. Всім всього доброго, до наступного відео. Пальці вверх.